Hello, it's me. Today is a rainy day here in the countryside, and I'm right here on my porch, just enjoying the cool breeze, the raindrops, and the sound of the rain on top of the roof. It's so green, it's so peaceful and relaxing, and I can sit right here on my porch for several hours just to listen to the rain. And that's my garden over there. And my garden is enjoying the free rain, free watering from the sky. You know that rain has a lot of nutrients necessary for plant growth. It's very important for the plants to thrive, and rainwater is very good for the plants. And that's my small box garden. It's so green and peaceful. And that's the hummingbird feeder. And that's my flower bed, a newly constructed flower bed. I'm not quite done yet, but we're almost done. Every day I have so many things to do, and I can't do all things at the same time. When you have children, it's difficult to balance your time. Parenting, gardening, cooking, cleaning, and on and on. It's just the repetition of daily chores. It's stressful. It can be stressful, but the blessing of being in the country is that you can just step outside and just look outside and enjoy the greenery. And when it rains, it's even more relaxing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to be in the country. Because of what's going on around the world, I still have many things to be grateful for. And I hope you find that peace in your heart, peace that passes understanding. And we can ask God to give us that peace no matter what happens in life. There are so many troubles. But even after the rain, even after the storm, there's always rainbow. Rainbow, beautiful rainbow that God has promised. He promised that He will be with us all the way, no matter what. I hope you have a great day. Bye.